4-hour area of value, a short-term trade to take out the liquidity down here. Price is beginning to slow down. Good morning, YouTube. This is gonna be a full day in the life today, from my morning to getting ready for London to getting ready for New York session, and we're gonna go over some trading stuff as well. Right now I'm just doing a little bit of back-end work, and because it is Wednesday today, I'm having a lifeclub weekly call with those on the west side of the world, or the west and the east side of the world. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video.
It was at this moment that she knew. She fucked up.
Woo! What an amazing session. Loving it. Like, I can see improvements in my fitness, my endurance, and even a bit of my like my balance when I'm doing kicks and using my hips more in the kicks. Although on the final round I had to stop doing the Muay Thai stuff and just go to boxing because I think I kind of injured my foot. Yeah, I'm making progress. This is like my 4th or 5th session. I'm learning the combinations, it's becoming more muscle memory, even the footwork and the balance, so that's really fun. It's currently 1:11, so I have about 50 minutes to get ready for London Open. It takes me about 20 minutes to get home. Then I'm gonna shower, catch up with lifeclub. The Europe people and UK people will be awake, so yeah. 4-hour areas of interest for me is where we're kind of at right now, which is these sets of bullish order blocks to potentially either get to the midpoint of this sort of imbalance where price may go up there, or to then go lower, to then go higher, taking out these liquidities, potentially filling this fair value gap. So I'm kind of staying a little bit neutral at the moment. More clarity we get is on the 15 as price, you know, something I like to ask myself is what happens after the impulse. Price came in here, came into this 4-hour area, slowed down, which is something that I do like to see. We have all this low res liquidity. We've just swept up here. Something that is interesting obviously right now is this fair value gap here. What could happen is a short-term trade to take out the liquidity down here for a sell, which is very valid, but then also to then take a long if it presents itself. Digging deeper into discount to then potentially take the trade to the upside. Good morning, team. Here is the EU London Open forecast. Okay, so we're either going to continue. Alright, so I took that EU short, nice cheeky little trade, price taking out all that sort of sell side liquidity as we're in this 4-hour area of value. I pretty much went over in the forecast. I'm also nursing my swollen foot. I will show you that. It's literally, yeah, it's swollen. It hurts pretty bad. It was funny, a lot of people in the comment section also thought that I was going to Dubai to live that lifestyle, and I guess that's where a lot of people think of, right? But that's what I said in previous videos, that I'm doing something completely against mainstream, and you guys have been so welcoming when I've announced that I'm here in the Philippines, And I'll definitely have to do a meetup, maybe early next year, January time, maybe Feb. I don't know where I should do it. Probably Manila makes sense, or do I do something a little bit more local to where I live? But yeah, maybe Manila. I don't know about the logistics, but definitely want to do a Philippines meetup or a Manila meetup. I think that'd be awesome to get to see you guys. But yeah, yesterday was pretty special. I'm actually going to include some clips about it because it means a lot to me. It means a lot to the Hannah Forex journey, right? I always talk about back in the day being selfish short term to be selfless long term. And I always had the belief that, you know, when people say, when I have more money, then I'm going to donate, or when I have more money, I'm going to do good and give back, and etc., etc. But it was like, you know, from then on, I was always doing something. And now being closer to those who I'll get emotional if I keep talking about it, especially with this camera. I don't know, but I just wanted to introduce you guys to someone super special to Lifeclub, and just very excited to see how God is going to move in my life in the next couple months, so we'll see. And also, euro dollar is just plummeting at the moment. I'm eyeing that price may even get down to that level, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, we've secured a cake from Red Ribbon, got our chicken joy waiting, and now we're gonna go get some decorations and stuff.
Always believe the best, yeah, you're a loving friend, you're always loving us through.
Wow, cake!
Oh, you will never fail, be there, you always will, shine us with your light to get us through. God, we want more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Come, Holy Spirit.
More birthdays, more blessings.
It's the love that we long for. Bring us together. Make the broken things.
4 hour, completely continuing to the downside. What happens after the impulse? Expecting some kind of pullback to potentially rebalance to these areas. If it smashes through, then we'll know that there's these areas as well. But what happens is price may just consolidate, either give us a move to the upside or to the downside. What's going to be the telltale for that is going to be on the lower time frames. We're kind of past now this 4 hour area. So if I just move this over to this bullish order block, this is another area we can look to for price to push up to the upside. So looking on the 15-minute, by the way, well done to any of those who took advantage of some selling opportunities from yesterday. We had opportunity here, we had opportunity here, and we also had opportunity here. So there's multiple ways to get involved for the short. I'll ASR that over the weekend, but we're now approaching this area here. Price is beginning to slow down. I'm going to be waiting for some bullish intent, some bullish order flow to just show us that price is ready, especially after a big, push down. I want to see price showing its hands that, okay, look, we may be going to target some areas of buy side liquidity. For example, we can even say previous day high, to give us that clue.